Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Thursday, June 27th, and today we are back with more fun things for you here from the shop. The first is one I showed you, I think, earlier this week or last week. This is the Christmas Carol fabric line from Three Sisters for Moda. And we showed you this kind of cheater panel last week, but now we have the actual kits in stock. We do have a limited amount of them. So if you think that you would love to make this for the holiday season, you definitely want to get on it. And then this is the associated fabric. And we just got these layer cakes in as well. So I'll give you a little flip through here so you can see some of the fabrics in the collection. It's a really beautiful set. And I like that the greens are a little sagey because I think it would be a nice addition to a lot of people's home decor. So we have the layer cakes and the kits for A Christmas Carol. Then we just got these in, which Susan's already about to grab for me. This is a kitty Christmas. This vintage kitty is here to bring mischief and merriment to your retro-inspired holiday projects. Whimsical prints and a vintage mod palette make this colorful collection perfect for Christmas. And this is by Urban Chics for Moda. And we'll have a few of the coordinating prints from this collection in stock in the next couple weeks. So that's really fun. Little kitty Christmas, and Susan's going to take that right off our hands. And then we have a new book from the 3-Yard Quilt series. This is Quick Christmas. And on the back, you can see all the different quick Christmas quilts you can make with just 3 different yards of fabric, which is a really nice grab and go if you're just trying to grab something to keep you sane during all of the summer heat, or to give you something to do during next week's holiday. Saying with that, we will be closed next Thursday for 4th of July, but we'll be open all regular hours all the other days. And if you follow us or shop with us, you know that we are open 7 days a week, so you can shop with us anytime. And if you're new to these videos, I do suggest that you subscribe if you're watching on YouTube, and like us wherever you're watching, and that will be sure that you get to see more of what's new from Cary Quilting. Have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.